I'm installing a new air filter in my 2011 Nissan Altima. Begin by pulling the hood release located inside the car. Then release the spring-loaded lever underneath the hood while lifting it from the catch. Here's a better look at the lever and how it operates. Then make sure the support rod is securely in place. Next, find the two bolts that secure the air scoop. Using a 10mm socket, remove these two bolts. The scoop can now be removed in this manner. Now locate the filter housing and the two housing clips. Release these clips in this manner. This will open up the housing to access the air filter. Lift the housing and filter from the compartment. Take note of how the filter is positioned, so there's no confusion on which side faces in and which side faces out. Next, simply pull the old filter out using your fingers. Inspect the housing for dirt and clean if needed. This is the new air filter that I will install. There are many different brands to choose from. It all depends on personal preference. Unbox the new air filter and inspect it for defects. Install it in this manner, making sure it's positioned properly, as noted earlier. Seat it well by pressing down with your hands. With the new filter in place, install the housing by returning the molded tabs into their corresponding slots. Then close the housing and secure the clips back into place in this manner. Next, return the air scoop to the filter housing and place it back into its original position. Finally, secure into place with the two bolts. Tighten each bolt down using that 10mm socket. Make sure you do not over-tighten. You don't want to damage the plastic. The air filter is now ready for use.